Your family played an important role in the Aceh struggle. Can you tell me about it?
It's part of the Aceh constitution.
Yeah.
The head of religion in Aceh is always the Tunku Ditiro. And he was in the event there is no sultan in Aceh, he always be the caretaker of the government. After the death of Sultan Mahmud Shah, who was a young fellow, he has no children. Some of his family members tried to resist the Dutch, but they could not. Only Tunku Ditiro was able to do it. So automatically he came to be in charge, and the Dutch had to fight him. And after he died, his first son, his second son, his third son, his fourth son, his fifth son. After everybody in my family was killed, the resistance still going on.
Right.
The commanders of Aceh did not surrender. They carry on. So it's still painful for me to talk about it. It was a period of confusion.
Yes.
The Aceh, true to their character, they are against any invader. Even Japan, I believe, in Aceh is the only place in East Asia where the people revolted against Japanese. It happened in Aceh.
In Aceh is nog steeds verzet. Nu tegen Jakarta, dat wordt gezien als de nieuwe kolonisator. In Libië getrainde guerrilla's strijden voor een onafhankelijk islamitisch Aceh. Leider en financier van de beweging is prins Hasan Ditiro. Hij is van Aceh uitgeweken naar het verre Zweden, waar hij desondanks voortdurend wordt bewaakt door een lijfwacht.
This idea of Indonesia, it is stupid, idiotic idea. It has no history. The unity of Indonesia. Java was the center of Indonesia. What center? You are talking about Batavia Centrum. Still. It was the Dutch who made Java the center. Why? Because the Javanese did not fight. As the reason. They are not patriotic. They have no concept of anything. Just a bunch of cheap machinery. That's why they become central. I, Aceh, who fight for their independence, who cannot picture existence without being independent, will fight them. Now, when the Dutch government backed totally the Javanese for their doing, that of course put a question how civilized are the Dutch, because all the killing they are doing now is by license of foreign. They said everything is peaceful. No, it's not true. My forces still control a huge territory.
You're still able to have contact with your people in Aceh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Last month, the Japanese just burned alive 6 of my followers in Medan. They put them in jail because they became the opinion leader among the prisoners in jail. How they do that? They just lock them in the room, they burn them alive. I mean, this whole thing it's happened.
Yeah. That sounds terrible.
How can you, especially the church-related organization, keep quiet about it? You see? Now, maybe the church organizations still look at the Aceh as being Muslim